What's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel, man. So, man, I just dropped off the video about me replacing the heater valve control valve for the Caprice, man. Man, it's still 2 o'clock. Gotta wait until 5 o'clock. I put the hose back on. But man, while I'm waiting, I remember, if you remember one of my first videos of the wagon, I bought the inserts for the envelope, man. Like, here it goes. I haven't had a chance to put them on. Again, today, I'm home, man. I'm chilling today. So I gotta put some time on the wagon, man. She's my daily. I know this is cosmetic, but I can't do anything without the parts. So I'm waiting for the parts right now. It's 2 o'clock and still, no, I don't even know what time is it. I think I'm lying to y'all. Well, let me check real quick. Yeah, 2:42, man. And still waiting for the parts. So while we're here, man, I remember, I haven't put the inserts yet. So this is what we're gonna do, man. These inserts, I got them from Gordo's Parts and Instagram. I got them when I first bought the wagon. That was the first thing I did. I bought all the inserts, all the emblems from the wagon. This is the last one that I got missing. And well, I'm gonna show you real quick, man, how to install these inserts. So let's go. Alright, man, so the first thing that we want to do is remove the old inserts. And to do that, man, I just got a small flathead screwdriver, so I can get to the edges of the original insert, trying to pull it out. Once we pull out the original, we're gonna have to clean this up. Boom, here it goes. First one is out of the way. Here it goes. We're gonna have to clean this up real quick. He recommends to use clear glue, clear silicone. You don't gotta put a lot, you just gotta put a little bit. Second one is out. The ones in the back is gonna be easier. We can just poke them through. Pow. That's the one in the back. Pow. Got him out. So we got this out already. But what we're gonna do, man, we wanna clean all this out. Make sure everything is clean. There's no debris, nothing on it. That way the new glue can stick to the envelope the right way. So let me clean this out real quick, man, and I'll get back with y'all. So we had to cut the video real quick, man. I got a call. The Blair is ready. I'm about to go pick her up. But anyways, man, here it goes. It's super clean on both sides. Now what we gotta do is add the clear silicone and put the emblems on them. So let's go. So here it goes, man. The silicone that I like using is the E6000. You know, everybody, I don't know, you can use the silicone that you like the most, but I always use the E6000, never had a problem. So we're just gonna apply a little bit. Let me set down the camera real quick. We're just gonna apply a little bit of silicone. We don't gotta put a lot. Let me open her up. Again, this is clear silicone. The E6000, they got it in clear, gray, and black. For this ones, he recommend using the clear one. So we just put some a little bit. Pow. One side is up. All the little excess silicone, man, just make sure you clear. If you get it outside, make sure you clear with your little towel. That's one side in. I'm gonna apply silicone on the other side. You got 2 drops. Pow. And look, this is one of the things with his inserts, man. Perfect fit, man. Wow. You see that? It makes a big difference. So we got one side in. Now we're gonna do the other side. Again, 1 or 2 drops of silicone. You don't gotta go crazy with it. Oh man. Oh, we're gonna have to clear all. There it goes. Do the other side real quick. Wow. Put some pressure on it, man. Just hold it for a little bit. Make sure the insert sits right. There it goes. Take the little excess. And bow, man. There it goes, man. Little upgrade. Again, I bought these sensors from Gordo's Parts on Instagram. I'm gonna put him at the bottom of this video. That way you can go check him out. Matter of fact, I bought all my inserts and emblems from him. Got it from last Caprice, and now I got it for this one. Again, the silicone that I use is the E6000. You don't gotta use this silicone, but this silicone is really good. It never let me down, so that's why I keep using it. I think I bought it at Dollar General, Family Dollar, one of them too. So here it goes, man. Big difference. Just little things, man. That's what make difference. It's on the car. Again, we are waiting still for the part, so we can get this glass house going. But the good thing is that we just got a call to go pick up the Bel Air, and man, baby girls are outside playing, so I'm gonna go take them real quick. That way we can go pick up the Bel Air and go for a little ride, man. So thank you for watching, man. Y'all be good.